The V-SMU-14 is the smart alternative to high-priced, unreliable commercial vacuums. So I invite you to take a few moments to watch and listen to the many items that make this vacuum so special. It can change your vacuum reality. First, the V-SMU-14 features an effortless handle release. No more clunky foot latches that constantly break during operation. Just place the tip of your shoe on the vacuum head, gently pull the handle back, and you are ready to go. When you are finished, just move the handle to the vertical position and it locks back in place. Virtually everything is within reach with a telescopic aluminum wand and the 4-in-1 stretch hose that reaches up to 30% further than the competition. Just pull the wand out of the holster, extend it, and start cleaning or add the tool of your choice. The end of the wand is angled so it can be used while still allowing sufficient airflow. A crevice tool and dusting brush are conveniently located on board the machine. No need to open up compartments or search for tools. When the V-SMU-14 is put in the upright position, the vacuum is designed so that the brush head is lifted off the floor, eliminating the possibility of damaging the carpet. A small ingenuity with high value. The V-SMU-14 has not one, but two easy access cleanout ports. One is located below the wand holster. First remove the wand, and then squeeze the tabs releasing the lower vac hose. You can then remove any debris from the hose, snap it back in place, and get back to work quickly. The second cleanout port is located at the hose inlet on the back of the machine. All you do is swivel the cap, and you can remove any debris that is blocking the hose. Close the cover when done. You can also use this port to place larger debris directly into the bag when vacuuming. The V-SMU-14 comes with a bleeder valve that allows you to reduce the airflow in cleaning drapes or hard floor areas. This clever innovation will keep the drapes from being pulled into the wand, and on hard floors will minimize airflow so debris is not blown away from the vacuum head. Just turn the knob to the desired size opening and continue cleaning. Make sure to close it when returning to normal vacuuming. The convenient cord holder is located at the back of the machine, allowing you to quickly wrap the cord and drape over the holder. The cord holder also doubles as a carry handle, allowing you to pick up the machine easily when going up and down stairs, setting it on your cleaning cart, or transporting it to other locations as many route cleaners do today. Changing brushes and belts has never been easier. No tools are required. Just turn the vacuum over so you can access the stainless steel cover located under the vacuum head. Slide the black tabs so they clear the screws, lift the cover away from the screws, and then pull forward to remove. Now you need to expose the belt, so grab the belt cover, pull up, and swivel out of place. Remove the metal clip that is holding the brush in place, and then pull the brush and belt out of the unit. To replace, be sure the belt is positioned over the raised area of the roller brush. Insert the brush and belt back into the head. Spin a few times to be assured that the belt is properly aligned, and then put the belt cover and metal clip back into place. To finish, replace the stainless steel cover by sliding it over the front tabs. Line it up with the screws and slide the black tabs back into place. If your operators are confused with traditional manual pile height adjustment knobs, they are not alone. The V-SMU-14 has an automatic pile height adjustment which properly positions the head based on the type of surface that the wheels are on, eliminating the guesswork or premature brush or motor wear that can come from improper height adjustment. In the event that something is pulled into the vacuum that could damage the motor is designed to shut off. The thermal reset button is located on the lower back of the machine. To reset, unplug the vacuum cleaner, correct the problem. Using a pointed object, push the reset button, plug the vacuum back in, and begin using. Replacing cords constantly is a thing of the past with this machine. It incorporates not one, but two strain reliefs for added cord protection. The first relief is found as the cord exits the machine, while the second one is integrated into the ergonomic handle. The main handle is an ergonomic loop design for optimal operator comfort. The V-SMU-14 comes standard with 3-stage HEPA filtration. The system consists of a paper bag, exhaust filter, and HEPA filter. The filter bags are easily accessible from the front of the unit. Simply open the front cover to access the bag, exhaust filter, and HEPA filter. When the bag is full, remove by pulling straight out of the unit, peel back the adhesive covering, and close the bag to contain the dust. Finally, the V-SMU-14 delivers proven performance and durability. Major components have been proven in commercial applications for over 10 years. It is certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute Seal of Approval Silver Performance Rating, and with noise levels less than 70 dBA, it is also LEED qualifying. Be smart. Try this new alternative to the high-priced, unreliable commercial vacuums on the market today. The V-SMU-14's value proposition offers you fleet-changing opportunities. It will change your vacuum reality.